Protecting your facility from harmful voltage transients and surges requires a systematic approach. Eaton's innovative technology TVSS products business has developed a systematic approach called System Shield. Applying the System Shield to your facility ensures that you receive total protection. The International Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers recommends a coordinated approach to surge protection. The IEEE Emerald Book states, "For large surge currents, transient diversion is best accomplished in 2 stages. The first diversion should be performed at the service entrance to the building. Then, any residual voltage resulting from the action of the suppression device can be dealt with by a second protective device at the power panel of the computer room or other critical load." Let's take a look at how this works. During a high surge event, such as a lightning strike, a portion of the energy contained in the lightning strike will enter your facility through the service conductors. A surge suppressor at the service entrance of your facility will significantly reduce the level of the surge. However, the residual let-through voltage may be sufficient to cause damage to more sensitive downstream components. A second level of surge protection placed on critical loads will provide more complete surge protection. This is one aspect of the System Shield approach. Lightning can be one of the most dramatic examples of transients that can affect a facility. However, there are many other sources of transients. External transients can also be generated by utility switching activity or adjacent facilities that produce a great deal of electrical noise. Even so, external transients account for only 20% of all transients a facility will experience. According to numerous studies, 80% of all transients are generated inside a facility. Virtually any load turning on and off can generate a transient. In a factory environment, welding equipment, solid-state starters and drives, as well as large motor starting equipment can generate significant surge activity. These transients can cause degradation, disruption, and destruction of your process and equipment. Most industrial facilities today rely heavily on programmable logic controllers, computers, and other electronic equipment. These sensitive but vital pieces of equipment are often the first to fail in an environment with unmanaged transient activity. Production losses, quality degradation, and premature equipment breakdown can be misinterpreted as unavoidable business costs, when in fact they are easily and economically preventable events. This can be solved by the proper installation of transient voltage surge suppressors. In addition to service entrance and branch panel TVSS protection as recommended by the IEEE, protection throughout the facility at critical transient producing and transient susceptible locations can prevent disruption of processes and degradation and destruction of electrical equipment. In the office environment, transients can also be a costly problem. Microprocessors are everywhere today. Some of the very equipment that is susceptible to transients actually cause transients. Equipment that draws high levels of current for short periods of time, such as photocopiers and laser printers, are especially noisy. Electronic lighting ballasts and computer power supplies can also generate harmful transients. These transients can cause premature failure of lighting, computer power supplies, and also disrupt data transfer. An often overlooked area of surge protection is the protection of telecommunication equipment, data communication devices, and video monitoring systems. Surges can be induced on these conductors, causing equipment damage, data loss, and reduced information throughput. A good transient protection system will include protection of these communication and monitoring systems as well. The innovative technology System Shield approach mitigates the effect of harmful transients throughout the complete facility. Eaton's innovative technology TVSS products business has a network of factory-trained, authorized distributors across the country and around the world that can survey your facility and prescribe a System Shield solution for your facility.